The ViewSonic PA503X is a projector that doesn't rely on flashy aesthetics to grab attention. Instead, it quietly gets the job done with dependable performance and bright, clear visuals. This is the kind of device that turns ordinary spaces into immersive environments without demanding a lot of setup or technical know-how. At the heart of this projector is 3,600 ANSI lumens of brightness. That level of illumination ensures images remain vivid even in rooms with ambient light. It doesn't matter if the sun is streaming through the window or the overhead lights are on. This projector keeps everything readable and punchy. The brightness makes it suitable for classrooms, business presentations, and even casual home entertainment. When it comes to resolution, it features XGA 1024 by 768, displayed in a 4:3 aspect ratio. While it's not 1080p or 4K, this resolution is ideal for professional and educational settings where clarity and legibility are more important than ultra-fine detail. Text-heavy presentations, spreadsheets, and diagrams remain sharp and easy to follow. This projector uses DLP technology, which provides crisp contrast and reliable color reproduction. On top of that, it supports 3D content, giving you the flexibility to show immersive visuals in compatible applications. Whether it's educational content, simulations, or just fun 3D movies, this projector has you covered. Durability is another strong point. With a lamp life reaching up to 15,000 hours, this projector is built to last. Super Eco mode further reduces energy consumption, lowers heat output, and extends lamp life, making it an efficient choice for long-term use. It's the kind of device that quietly continues performing year after year without constant maintenance. Connectivity is straightforward and versatile. HDMI and VGA inputs allow you to connect everything from modern laptops to older devices. Audio input and output options let you integrate it with external sound systems. This level of compatibility means fewer adapter headaches and a seamless setup experience. Setup itself is user-friendly. Keystone correction simplifies alignment, making it easy to square the image even if the projector isn't perfectly centered. The compact and portable design means you can use it on a desk, mount it to a ceiling, or move it between rooms effortlessly. It adapts to the environment instead of requiring you to adapt to it. The ViewSonic PA503X is ideal for a wide audience. Teachers looking to make lessons more engaging. Businesses needing reliable visual tools for meetings and presentations. Families wanting a flexible home entertainment solution without a massive investment. It's practical, efficient, and consistently delivers performance that matters. This projector doesn't chase trends or gimmicks. It focuses on what matters: bright visuals, simple setup, long-term reliability, and versatile functionality. If your goal is to turn walls into functional displays with minimal effort, this projector is an excellent choice. For anyone interested in purchasing the ViewSonic PA503X, the link is available in the description. Transform your space with a device that delivers bright, clear visuals and professional-grade performance without breaking the bank. Sometimes the best tech doesn't shout. It performs quietly but effectively.